inflation is a completely normal occurrence in the economy, and it's important to understand how it affects your personal finances. So, did you know that the annual inflation rate typically averages somewhere around 2%? And while a 9.1% increase is extremely high, it's not entirely unheard of. So, how do you protect your finances when inflation rises? Well, we have got you covered. That is why in this video, we will dive into the different investment options available and explore which ones are more likely to hold their value in times of rising inflation. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, understanding the hierarchy of investment categories is essential knowledge for building a successful portfolio. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. And now, let's get started and uncover the secrets to protecting your wealth in times of economic uncertainty. Cash. You might be surprised to learn that during a period of inflation, cash is actually the worst investment you can make. Don't take our word for it. Even billionaire investors like Warren Buffett and Ray Dalio steer clear of cash during times of inflation. In fact, Dalio has even gone so far as to call cash trash. Why? Because as the value of money decreases during inflation, the cash you have stashed away in your savings account or under your mattress is losing value every single day, week, month, and year. But here's the good news. By understanding the concept of real returns, you can make smarter investment decisions even in the face of inflation. Real returns are the returns you make on your investments after accounting for the impact of inflation. So for example, if your investments returned 10% in a year but inflation was 7%, your real return would only be 3%. Not exactly a reason to celebrate, right? This is why cash is at the bottom of the investment hierarchy. Holding onto cash over a long period of time is essentially like throwing your money away. So if you're looking to build a successful investment portfolio that can weather the storm of inflation, it's time to start thinking beyond cash and focusing on smarter investment strategies that offer real returns. Fixed interest rate bonds. As we move up the hierarchy of investing options, we come to fixed interest rate bonds. So it is an investment typically considered safe and reliable by most conventional wisdom. But according to Warren Buffett, these investments are not all that safe when you factor in inflation. So let me explain why. Take the current yield on a 10-year US government bond, for example, which is around 1.8% as of the making of this video. If you were to purchase a 10-year government bond today, you would effectively lock in a 1.8% annual return for the next decade. Sounds good, right? But wait. Let's say inflation averages 4% over the next decade, which is not a stretch given recent inflation reports. That means you will have a negative real return of 2.2% after you factor in the impact of inflation on your investment. Sure, this is still better than holding onto cash, but it's far from the best option out there. Plus, it's important to note that during the times of inflation, people who own fixed rate debt like government bonds are actually losing out. On the flip side, those who borrow money in a long-term structure at a fixed rate, like someone who takes out a mortgage to buy a property, are actually winners during inflation. For example, let's say you purchase a house in December 2020 and were able to lock in a 30-year fixed rate mortgage at 2.8%. So your interest rate is now fixed for the next 3 decades and your mortgage payment will be the same every month for 30 years. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Well, it gets even better during times of inflation. As inflation eats away at the value of your mortgage debt month after month and year after year, you get to repay your mortgage with devalued dollars. In other words, inflation actually works in your favor by reducing the real value of your mortgage debt over time. So, when it comes to investing during times of inflation, fixed interest rate bonds may not be the safest bet after all. Instead, consider exploring other investment strategies like property ownership and fixed rate borrowing to help maximize your returns and protect your wealth. Unproductive assets. Now we're moving up the investment hierarchy to what Warren Buffett calls unproductive assets. These include precious metals like gold and silver, which are not necessarily bad investments during times of inflation. In theory, as the price of everything else rises, the value of these metals should at least keep up with inflation. Instead, Buffett recommends investing in productive assets that can generate income and appreciate in value over time. So stocks, real estate, and businesses are all examples of productive assets that have the potential to provide a hedge against inflation. By investing in assets that generate income and increase in value, you can offset the effects of inflation on your purchasing power. So if you're looking to build a successful investment portfolio that can stand up to inflation, take a cue from Warren Buffett and focus on productive assets that can generate income and appreciate in value. Don't get sidetracked by unproductive assets that may not keep pace with rising prices. Keep your eye on the prize and invest in assets that will help you achieve your financial goals. Productive assets, average businesses. So let's talk about the next category of investments in our inflation hierarchy, where we don't just want to keep up with inflation, but actually want to come out on top with a real return on our investment. This is where the concept of productive assets comes in, as emphasized by none other than the legendary Warren Buffett himself. But not all productive assets are created equal. The first type we will discuss is what Buffett calls average businesses. So these are companies that require a lot of additional capital to keep operating and growing, which can limit their ability to perform well during periods of inflation. On the other hand, we have great businesses, which are the stars of the show in terms of investing during inflation. So these are companies that have low capital requirements and can rely on strong branding or innovative technology to continue growing and generating income. So think Apple, Coca-Cola, Microsoft, and other similar businesses that can thrive even when faced with rising prices. One key factor to consider when investing in great businesses during inflation is pricing power. These are companies that have the ability to adjust their prices without losing customers, which can help them maintain profitability and even increase their value over time. So, if you want to beat inflation and come out ahead as an investor, it's all about finding those great businesses with low capital requirements and strong pricing power. Determining a company's pricing power can be more of an art than a science, but there are some helpful things to consider. Picture this. If a company raised its prices by 10%, how would customers react? Would they happily pay the higher price? Or would they refuse and take their business elsewhere? The way customers react to price increases can vary widely, and during times of inflation, it is crucial to invest in companies that have the ability to raise prices easily. So you don't want to get stuck investing in industries or companies that struggle to increase prices even during normal economic conditions. To thrive during inflation, seek out businesses that have the power to charge more for their products without losing customers. In conclusion, during times of high inflation, it is essential to make smart investments to protect your money from losing value. So the best options to consider include real estate, stocks, silver and gold, and commodities. While investment has its own risk, they also offer opportunities for significant gains. Investing requires good timing and research. By making these investments, you can potentially offset the effects of inflation and protect your finances for the long term. And always bear in mind that it is important to consult with financial experts and make informed decisions to ensure a successful investment strategy. We hope this video has enlightened you, so if you're interested in content like this, don't forget to click that subscribe button because we will release more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and up until next time.